Daddy, where's the carriages?
Oh, well, son, Santa was a bit strapped for cash this year. Cost a lot of money to feed those elves, you know.
How much did it cost?
Oh, cost lots and lots and lots.
Happy Christmas!
Dad!
Evelyn! Me little Christmas angel. I hope you were a good girl, were you?
Yes,
Happy
Grandad,
Christmas!
come on. No money, no job. Happy Christmas.
Sure, look on the bright side, son. Come the new year, you'll have a new job, huh? You and the kids will be set up. The world will be your oyster. We never died of winter yet.
Wednesday. Mommy, come back! It's St. Stephen's Day. The shops are shut.
If you really want your kids back that badly, you should get yourself a good lawyer.
Oh, no, they cost money.
Go and see Michael Beattie, 24 Upper Mount Street. Say I sent you.
Oh, fair enough. I'll say the new barmaid in Fergus pub sent me. That'll impress him. Oop.
Tell him Bernadette sent you. You cheeky oaf. Bernadette Beattie, his little sister. I'm only working here part-time to help out Uncle Fergal. I'm a trainee chemist, actually.
So you're the beautiful niece Fergal's always bragging about. Bet you have lots of fellas running after you.
Yes, but none of them have managed to catch me yet.
You're not a bad-looking woman now that I look at you. Of course, with this bump on me head, I'm probably hallucinating.
Don't let me teeth fool you. I don't bite. She's a sweetheart, that sister Felicity. It's Frigid Bridget you've got to watch out for. She could put the fear of death into a corpse, so she could. I'm Mary. I'm Annette. I'm Lauren. I'm Evelyn. Your soup doesn't look very good. You'll get used to it. You get used to most things here. Half the kids in Ireland are cooped up here. How long have you been here for? 6 months. 6 years. I won't be here for very long. My daddy's gonna come and get me. That's what my dad told me.
Where's my daughter, Evelyn Doyle?
Do you have an appointment?
I don't need an appointment to see my own daughter. Who are you?
I'm Sister Bridget.
How you know? If you ever lay a finger on my daughter again, I will tear you limb from limb. Now, where is she?
In the refectory, on the first floor.
Right. What the hell are you smirking at? You think this is funny? You think you can just cancel appointments and treat people like dirt?
Mr. Doyle.
I wasn't talking to you, Yank. Oh, you're good for us wearing your sharp suits, doing your fancy deals and trying to get your hands on our women. And our fish.
Desmond, be reasonable. I'm sorry I missed our appointment, but there's really nothing more I can do for you anymore.
Oh, really? Well, your being sorry isn't going to get my kids back now, is it?
Congratulations, Desmond. You just found yourself a lawyer.
Is that a fact now?
Mm-hmm.
Who?
Me.
Oh. So you're not a chemist, then? How come you can work over here if you're a Yank?
Desmond, actually, I'm Irish. I was born and reared in Kilkenny till I was 9.
Oh.
Then we emigrated to the States, and I subsequently came back here to study law at UCD.
So he's qualified to plead in Irish courts.
Does my being a Yank bother you, Desmond?
No, not at all. I like Yanks. Most of them were Irish to begin with anyway. But, I can't afford to pay you fancy money.
I'm not doing this for the money, Desmond. You're just gonna have to raise enough to cover our costs.
Right. Well, I really appreciate your help, so I do.
Yep. We'll do our best for you, Desmond.
All right. Cheerio.
Cheerio.
We'll do our best.
What? We're in this together, my friend. You don't think I'm gonna take this on with any other solicitor, do you?
But we've no chance. You know that as well as I do. I don't know why you're even taking it on.
Because I know what Desmond's going through. Through no one's fault but my own. I lost my own kids in that divorce.
I don't think you're realizing what we're up against.
No, I do realize what we're up against.
Is Desmond Doyle here?
Sitting over there in the booth.
Sorry to interrupt you. I'm honest Joe O'Leary, racecourse bookie. I own the book and the outcome of your court case. The punters back to you heavy.
Great.
I didn't feel right in keeping this, so well, I want you to have it.
Jesus.
It's only 600 quid, so I thought it might go towards your, your court costs.
I don't know what to say, Mr. O'Leary.
You don't have to say anything, Mr. Doyle. You see, I grew up in an orphanage. I wish my dad had your guts.
Oh, well.
Good luck to you. Good night, all.
Good night.
Oh, we're organising a race next month. The Desmond Doyle Benefit Sweepstake.
Great. Oh,
Put your money on Slippery Sam.
Slippery Sam. Good man. Grand man. Good night now. God bless.
Peter. I therefore find in favour of the plaintiff, Mr. Doyle. Desmond Doyle has won!